Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I am standing in front of a 67 Camaro. She's got an RS front end, a big block under the hood, beautiful interior, and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll get it up on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at the big block. We're gonna look at the interior. We'll look inside the trunk. We will show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on this Camaro investment. So come on up and we're gonna fire the big block up. Take a look at this beautiful car, RS front end, and man, I love the paintwork on it. The nose stripe, the louvers in the hood look great. That hood's fitting nice, that line's nice and straight. Great looking set of wheels and tires. This thing is setting proud and looking strong. We've got the 396 badges on the side. Doors operate nice and smooth. Look at those door jambs, how nice and clean they are. Rubber's been replaced. Vinyl tops in beautiful shape. Chrome on the back bumper, chrome around the tail lights look good. We got the SS cap here on the gas. Look at that trunk, looks brand new in there. Beautiful, trunk floors in beautiful shape. Wheel wells look good, insides of the quarters are nice. All the paintwork in here all looks good. The paintwork on the bottom side of the deck lid looks good. These are all things you need to be looking at when you're looking to buy one of these cars. All these details, that tells you the quality. Look down the side of the car. See how nice and straight that paintwork is? That door fits nice and flush there. Operates nice and smooth. Door jambs nicely painted, nice and clean. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we spent the time to check the car out before we bought it. Then when we bring them here to the shop, we inspect them so Tommy can answer any question you have about the car. So give him a call, 248-974-9513. Now let's take a look at the interior. Look at that door panel. It's got the deluxe interior in it, looks great. Carpeting looks good. Steering wheel's in beautiful shape. It's got the center console with the automatic shifter there. Got seat belts in the front and seat belts in the rear. All the trims back there around the back window. It looks like the dome lights are working. The headliner's in good shape. Dash pad itself looks good. The gauge faces look good. The lenses look great. The chrome on the knobs. Beautiful car inside. All right, guys, let's go for a ride in a big block 67 Camaro. It's got an RS front end on it, and it is ready to rock and roll, guys. Red, arrest me red, I tell you what. The cops will be after you with this thing. It's got a big block in it and a 67 Camaro. Everybody in town is gonna know who you are on this thing. What a sweet ride it is. It's got great sounding exhaust system on it. Power steering. Look at that, stopping nice and straight. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're shipping experts. We can ship this Camaro anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway anywhere in the world. Also, we offer financing on the cars. About a 15-minute phone call with a banker and we can get this dream in your driveway right away, guys. This Camaro is sweet. Now down here on the dash, we got the speedo working, the tack working, all the gauges down here on the center console. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. And listen to that exhaust. What a sweet sound. Even the horn's working, guys. Let's see, here's the windshield wipers over here. Whoop, there's a semi truck backing out in front of us. Look at that, nimble as can be. Did you see that move? And in the middle of turning the windshield wipers on, no problem whatsoever. Now we're right outside the Motor City. We're only 20 minutes from the airport. If you want to come check this thing out, we'll even come down to the airport and pick you up. We love to meet our customers. You know, we sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen, so we don't get to meet a lot of our customers. So if you see one of us at a car show, please come on up, say hi. We'd love to meet our customers. Now here comes our shop up here on the right. You hear that exhaust? That's some sweet sounding exhaust coming out of those tailpipes. Here's our shop right here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Now we're gonna do something the other guys don't do. We're gonna put this car up on the left, check out the bottom side, and you can bet we're gonna take a look at the big block under the hood. All right, we're underneath this 67 Camaro now, and you can see the Holley fuel pumps mounted right here. We got a 12-bolt rear end right around the 410 gear, and it is Posi. It's got traction bars on it. She does have air shocks on her. It's got frame ties. Pinch weld looks good. Floorboards look nice. They do look like they were replaced. They were cut out and all welded in and sealed in. It's a beautiful job on that. Exhaust system's new. You can see they welded in the frame ties here. Good looking headers, turbo 350 trans. We do have drum brakes up front. We've got new hardware on the drum brakes. We've got new flex lines here. The guys will check out all the steering gear. Cross member looks good. Front spoiler's in good shape. Core support's in good shape. Real nice solid car underneath, guys. It's a beautiful 67 Camaro, and don't forget, RS, guys. Let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got Cooper Cobras, and I see 215 7015s. Great looking paint on the wheels. Center caps look good. Trim rings look good. Wheel lip moldings look good. Right down to the bottom edge of the front fender, it is gorgeous, and it's nice and smooth back there. There's no patchwork there whatsoever. And look at that pinch weld there and the bottom side of that rocker. It is beautiful. Let's look at the rear. All right, out back here, we've got 255 7015s. Again, paintwork looks good, center caps look good, trim rings look great, wheel lip moldings look good, and just like the front, the back side of the rocker looks brand spanking new. Let's get under the hood. All right, up front here, we got a 396. It's a 67 model 396 also. It's got a 770 Holley 4-barrel on it, and that thing looks like it's brand spanking new. Performer RPM Edelbrock intake on it. Chrome alternator. Looks like all the braking system here is new. It's got an MSD box fire in the distributor back there. I see an MSD coil back there also. I think I already told you it's got power brakes. She does have power steering, cross-flow radiator. Car does have air conditioning. Firewall's nice and clean. Bottom side of the hood's nice and clean. She's a gorgeous Camaro, guys. She's a 67. She's got the RS front end. There's a big block under the hood. She's red and she's beautiful. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.